Hello and welcome to Triple T Village Kitchen. Today we are making chicken masala, one of a classical dish. Let's now look at the ingredients needed. Black stone flour, also known as kalpasi in Tamil, half a teaspoon of fennel seed, 5 small pieces of cinnamon, 1 star anise, 3 cloves, 3 cardamom, half thinly chopped onion, half a tomato chopped, 4 chili slit into half, 1 inch of ginger, and 5 pods of garlic, both pound separately. I prefer to use a pounding stone because it gives you a better smell. Half a tablespoon of turmeric, salt to taste. I've made a chili paste. I made this out of a handful of dry chilies, quarter teaspoon of cumin, quarter teaspoon of fennel seed, half a teaspoon of black pepper, all ground together in the mixer. 6 pieces of chicken, enough oil to cook, quarter tumbler of water, curry leaf and coriander leaves. I now add a bit of oil to the heated pan. Once ready, I add in the spices one by one, beginning with the black stone flour. Now I add in the onion. I keep stirring it till it changes color. Add in a pinch of salt. Then the ginger paste and the garlic paste. Now I add in the tomato. I cover it for a while so that the tomato can become mashy. I now add in the turmeric. And 2 tablespoons of the chili paste that I made. And I pour in the water and let it cook for 5 minutes by covering it. Now I add in the remaining of salt and the chicken pieces. Let it cook for 5 minutes by covering it. Now I add in the curry leaves and the chili, stirring it well and cover it for another 10 minutes. Now it's nearly done. I stir and I turn the stove off and add the coriander leaves to garnish. I'm sure you will enjoy this dish with your family. Thank you for watching and please do like and subscribe. Thank you.